what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome again to a new episode of Jules. If you are new here, my name is Julie. If you are a new subscriber, you are all welcome. Please subscribe and like to this video. Today I want to do a video. I'm so happy because we are moving into a new house. Yes, we are moving into a new house. First, which I'm right about going to show you right now. So go ahead and show you my new space. Welcome. This is my new house. Okay. This is the door here, right about here. Looking so beautiful. So let's get in about this. So coming in the house, this is my space. Yeah. Come. This is all the sitting room here. Up to this corner here, it's quite a big space. Yes, and it's too beautiful. We have this fan right here. Yeah, that is included in the rent, of course. Actually, they are the token. And this lighting here. Yeah. So it's very good. The ceiling also. So let's go to the kitchen now. Let's get the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and I really love this kitchen. We have these cupboards here that I really like them. I feel like they are a very good addition to this house. Yeah, it's in a mess right now because I've not cleaned it, but yeah, this is where I keep my jerry cans and so my other vyomos, and this also this window is very good. You can't be cooking and sweating all the same. So this came in very handy. My other house was a bit stashed and squeezed. Also, they brought a free curtain rod, which to me is very nice. And this sockets right here, where you can either put a fridge or your cooker. Yeah, very nice one. You can put your cooker right here. You can put your cooker here if you wish. Yeah, it's very good space. A small kitchen, but very beautiful. I really love this kitchen since it's my favorite place right now. Yeah. So let's go ahead and go to the toilet. This is a bedsitter, so it's not much. Let's go to the toilet now. You've seen the kitchen. Let's go to the washroom. Another window just right about here. So here is our toilet. So beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. You know, right now I'll be bathing using this shower that I can hold with my hand. Oh my god, this is advancement to the highest level. Yeah, so this is my shower. This lighting here also is so beautiful. I like it so much. And my toilet. So beautiful, yeah. So my shower, my toilet, the tiles also are very nice. Yeah, it's dirty right now. That's why I'm telling you this is a new space. We're not cleaning it yet, but we will do that just right now. So right now this is just an empty house tour, and I thank God for this space, and it's a way of me to elevate. So let's see each other, or I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching my house tour. feel free to like and share to this channel. And thank you, I love you so much. And also this is a bedsitter house. It's found in Mombasa. If you're interested for a house like this, you can get one also. Yeah, it's very affordable and it's new. So I managed to get the newly built house. So that's it for now. So bye bye until the next one.